TEN Science Tecnologia e Natura. From the research by TEN Science Cosmetic Laboratories comes the new face treatment regen. Progressive cosmetic filler. The youth-enhancing face line with multi-corrective action renews and replumps the epidermis, fills and smooths signs of aging. Natural active ingredients. Anastatica hieracuntica, also called the resurrection plant, because it survives in conditions of extreme aridity thanks to its ability to dry out, preserving the roots and then rehydrate as soon as the conditions of humidity improve, returning to the normal life activity. Plant extract is able to reduce the finer wrinkles by working in two ways: replumping the skin matrix and fighting oxidative stress, counteracting the degradation of the extracellular matrix. Technological active ingredients. Hyaluronic acid, a powerful technological complex at the highest scientific level. With a filling and youth-enhancing action, it consists of 4 types of hyaluronic acid with 4 characteristic and distinctive actions. Cross-linked, progressive filling action. High molecular weight, replumping and surface protective action. Hyalu-like green ingredient derived from the Cassia angustifolia, filling action on fine wrinkles. Low molecular weight, instant and deep filling action. Papayan molecular film, derived from papaya, highly technological as it is obtained using a fine laboratory process. Characterized by its special film-forming structure, it is evenly deposited on the skin and works progressively, promotes cellular turnover, smooths and moisturizes the skin. The results. The regen professional treatment. Before starting the treatment, it is best to prepare all the necessary products that you will be using. The professional products. Professional kit, progressive cosmetic filler treatment. The kit contains progressive renewing serum, progressive renewing gauze mask, wrinkle-filling alginate mask, activator for wrinkle-filling alginate mask, wrinkle-filling serum, wrinkle cushion, professional wrinkle-filling cream. The complementary professional products. Decoderm makeup remover, Age Lumina dual-use cleansing cream and mask, Skin of Light. Face Essentials refreshing tonic lotion. Essential oil, essentials oils with draining action. Essential oil, essentials oils with anti-aging action. Age Lumina UV Age Fluid BB Cream Effect SPF 30. regen treatment sequence. The welcome. Perform the touch for relax massage, TEN professional touch for relax. The cleansing. Remove eye makeup thoroughly with Decoderm makeup remover. Apply Age Lumina dual-use cleansing cream and mask, Skin of Light, on the face, neck and décolletage. And massage for a few minutes. Then remove with disposable cleansing gloves soaked in lukewarm water. Run 2 cotton pads soaked in Face Essentials Refreshing Tonic Lotion over the face, neck and décolletage. The Progressive Renewing Scan. Soak the special wrinkle cushion in the Progressive Renewing Serum and run it vertically and horizontally over each wrinkle in a grid method. Keep the wrinkle cushion constantly well soaked, repeatedly dipping it in the product. At the end of the wrinkle scan, apply the remaining serum with a brush on the face, neck and décolletage, massaging until completely absorbed. The Progressive Renewing Mask. Place half a cotton pad moistened with water onto each eye. Apply the Progressive Renewing Gauze Mask, making it adhere perfectly on the face, neck and décolletage. The Progressive Wrinkle Filling Mask. In a bowl, prepare the alginate mask by carefully mixing a sachet of wrinkle-filling alginate mask with a sachet of activator for wrinkle-filling alginate mask until you obtain a soft and even-looking consistency. With the silicone brush, apply the mask obtained on the top of the gauze on the face, neck and décolletage. Leave to work for 20 minutes. At the end of this time, take off the mask by lifting it gently, working from the bottom upwards. Remove the residue very well with disposable cleansing gloves soaked in lukewarm water. The intensive progressive wrinkle filling phase. First, apply 1 drop of essential oils with draining action on the solar plexus and distribute it over the drainage points on the face, neck, décolletage and arms, making pumping movements. Then, 8 drops of essentials oils with anti-aging action on the face, neck and décolletage. Next, apply a bottle of wrinkle-filling serum on the face, neck and décolletage and massage until completely absorbed. Alternatively, it is possible to deliver the serum using the electrophoretic flow system technology with the serum delivery option. Apply the professional wrinkle-filling cream on the face, neck and décolletage and massage until completely absorbed. Or deliver the cream using the electrophoretic flow system. Cream delivery option. Massage the residue until completely absorbed. The conclusion. Conclude by applying a thin layer of Age Lumina UV Age Fluid BB Cream Effect SPF 30 on the face, neck and décolletage, making sure that you shake the bottle before use. products for self-care treatment. Renewing and filling wrinkle treatment night and day action. The box contains renewing peeling phase, night. Concentrated biphase texture promotes epidermal cell renewal, smooths and relaxes the facial features. In the morning, the skin has a rested, smooth and radiant appearance. Wrinkle filling phase, day. In innovative texture, the feeling of a balm that dissolves and absorbs quickly during the application, preparing the skin to take on the day. It gives a smooth and even appearance. Wrinkles and expression lines are minimized. Eye and lip contour treatment with hyaluronic acid. Treatment for the eye and lip contour smooths wrinkles and minimizes expression lines. Filling effects for the eye contour and smoothing for the lip contour. Fragrance-free. Wrinkle cream with hyaluronic acid. Cream with a rich and dense texture for a filling and smoothing action. The deep and fine wrinkles appear minimized. The skin is smoothed, redensified and firm. Fill Regen treatment. Who to recommend this treatment to? For all skin types that are showing signs of aging, even with deep wrinkles and loss of consistency and smoothness. Action. Renews and firms the skin, reduces wrinkles even when deep, and gives the face a more youthful and smooth appearance. Duration: about 1 hour. Frequency: intensive treatment, 2 treatments a week for a total of 5 treatments. Follow-up treatment: personalized according to the severity of the beauty problem identified during checkups. Warning: follow the instructions in the TEN Science Fill Regen Professional Guide carefully. Do not apply essential oils when treatment is performed using cosmetic equipment. TEN Science, Tecnologia e Natura. Follow us on tenscience.com.